rigid,
cứng nhắc, rập khuôn, không linh hoạt.
Relying on a rigid relational schema can make it difficult to store the highly dynamic state data generated by multi-agent systems.
rigid schema, rigid structure, rigid rules, overly rigid, accordingly,
Theo đó, do đó, vì vậy, một cách phù hợp.
If the upstream API returns a 401 unauthorized status, the middleware will log the event and reject the request accordingly.
act accordingly, respond accordingly, adjust accordingly, plan accordingly, according,
Theo như, dựa theo, tùy theo.
According to the official system documentation, the database schema must be fully normalized before migration.
according to the documentation, according to plan, nutshell,
Tóm lại, nói một cách ngắn gọn.
In a nutshell, microservices break a large application into small, independent services that communicate via APIs.
in a nutshell, integrity,
Tính toàn vẹn, tính nguyên vẹn.
Foreign key constraints are crucial for maintaining data integrity across relational database tables.
data integrity, maintain integrity, referential integrity, integrity check, integral,
Thiết yếu, không thể thiếu.
Automated deployment pipelines are an integral part of modern CI/CD infrastructure.
integral part, integral component, an integral role, consensus,
Sự đồng thuận, sự nhất trí.
In multi-agent architecture, nodes must reach a consensus on the system state before committing changes to the database.
reach a consensus, general consensus, consensus algorithm, build consensus, consortium,
Tập đoàn, liên minh.
A consortium of tech giants collaborated to develop the new open-source agent development kit standard.
a consortium of, form a consortium, consortium of companies, ownership,
Quyền sở hữu, sự sở hữu.
In a backend team, developers should take full ownership of the microservices they design and deploy.
take ownership, full ownership, sense of ownership, transfer ownership, compliance,
Sự tuân thủ, tính tuân thủ, quy định, luật lệ.
When building financial microservices, ensuring strict data compliance with local regulations is mandatory.
data compliance, ensure compliance, regulatory compliance, in compliance with, comply,
Tuân theo, tuân thủ, làm theo đúng quy định.
The application user accounts must comply with the strict security policies set by GCP Cloud SQL.
Comply with regulations. Comply with the policy. Fail to comply. Compliant.
Tuân thủ đúng quy định, đạt chuẩn, tương thích.
Developers must ensure that the logging systems are fully GDPR compliant before deploying to production.
GDPR compliant. Fully compliant. Become compliant. Proof.
Bằng chứng, sự chứng minh, có khả năng chống chịu, khi làm đuôi từ.
We need written proof of the database migration approval before executing the script on production.
Proof of concept. Written proof. Provide proof. Burden of proof. Prove.
Chứng minh, chứng tỏ, hóa ra là.
Running a comprehensive load test is the best way to prove that the new database configuration can handle high traffic.
Prove that. Prove effective. Prove to be. Prove a theory. Proven.
Đã được chứng minh, đã được kiểm chứng, hiệu quả, năng lực.
Using Redis for session management is a proven architectural pattern for scalable backend applications.
Proven track record. Proven method. Proven pattern. Scientifically proven. Conjunction.
Sự kết hợp, sự đồng hành, liên từ, ngữ pháp.
Using LangGraph nodes in conjunction with local database transactions ensures robust multi-agent workflow state management.
In conjunction with. Use in conjunction. Familiarize.
Làm quen, tìm hiểu để nắm rõ, công nghệ, quy trình.
New developers on the team should first familiarize themselves with the ADK middleware configurations.
Familiarize yourself with. Familiarize the team. Permanent.
Vĩnh viễn, lâu dài, cố định.
Before modifying the table structure, ensure that the data is moved to permanent storage rather than a temporary cache.
Permanent storage. Permanent solution. Permanent record. Become permanent. Permanence.
Sự lâu dài, tính cố định, tính bền vững vĩnh viễn.
Relational databases provide data permanence through ACID transactions, ensuring records are never lost after a crash.
Data permanence. Sense of permanence. Permanently.
Một cách vĩnh viễn, cố định.
Executing a drop table command will permanently delete the schema and all its records from the database.
Permanently delete. Permanently disabled. Permanently store. Designate.
Chỉ định, bổ nhiệm, đóng dấu lựa chọn cho một mục đích cụ thể.
You need to designate a specific service account in GCP to grant permissions for the Cloud SQL Auth proxy.
Designate a role. Designate someone as. Designate a service account. Designation.
Sự chỉ định, sự bổ nhiệm, chức danh.
After completing the architecture review, the node received the designation of primary orchestrator inside the multi-agent system.
Official designation. Receive a designation. Job designation. Violation.
Sự vi phạm, hành vi vi phạm.
If a multi-agent system tries to access unapproved memory nodes, the security middleware will flag it as a policy violation.
Policy violation. Security violation. Flag as a violation. Data violation. Violate.
Vi phạm, xâm phạm, làm trái, luật, quy định.
Inserting a null value into a column with a not null constraint will violate database integrity and trigger an error.
Violate a rule. Violate the policy. Violate the law. Violate integrity. Impractical.
Không thực tế, không khả thi, thiếu tính thực tiễn.
Migrating a legacy database structure without utilizing intermediate sync tools is impractical for large systems.
Impractical solution. Highly impractical. Prove impractical.